Here's the next video about an X5 you probably don't need. The old side marker here, this is the OG one. A couple of problems with it. The clear plastic on the outside had, before I bought it, had come off and fell away. And then the little metal retaining clip here, as you can see here, this is broken. Good old high quality BMW plastic. It's supposed to have this little metal retaining clip in here so that when you push this in, it actually stays in place. I know this is the Chinese knockoff, but it's a pretty darn good one. I would not be surprised if this was actually the real one, just without the little BMW logo that is probably supposed to be right about there. Funny. Yeah, so it's the real thing. It's just not BMW branded. And I don't know how they do it. I don't know if it's, you know what, I don't know. But I got this on eBay for $14.12. The real one, the real BMW one, on FCP Euro or Auto House or whatever, they're over $50. I'm all about legitimate BMW stuff, but things like this, holy smokes. So if this has happened to you, know that eBay is probably your friend. Just don't ask questions.